I am in Marlboro Ridge at a private listing. Listed at $1.1 million. We are at 4502 Cross Country Terrace, and you are in for a treat. Come on in. This house is absolutely gorgeous. Now, number one, I want to start with our half grand staircase because you cannot fake this type of luxury. I'm going to take you into our sitting room, paired with a gorgeous Steinway piano, grand piano. Now we're in the formal dining room. I just want you to get the sheer scale of this room, paired with a coffered ceiling, hand painted with gorgeous crystal chandelier. This is the space that you bring important people to. This is the space where family meals are done. This is the space where deals are made over meals. That's where this room is done. Now let's take you to our chef's kitchen. For those who love to cook, you know I love to bake. Love to bake. For those who love to cook and bake, this is the dream. We are paired with a farmhouse sink, 5 burners in the stove, but also there's some details here that I absolutely enjoy. This is not your pantry. This is a cabinet that is purely just for your pots and pans because it's pure and real luxury here, okay? All right, the person who owns this house doesn't cook, okay? Paired with stainless steel appliances, double oven, and now we are in our informal dining space that goes gorgeously. I just want to get you the scale of this space that goes gorgeously into a massive deck. Don't you hear that? So beautiful out. Now it's raining. You know I love you that I'm doing this in the rain, okay? But I just want you to get this deck. Wraps around, it's gorgeous, it's windy. We're going back inside. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and just shut that door right there. I'm gonna take you up or down. Let's go up. Now, we showed you the grand staircase, half grand staircase, with our gorgeous gas fireplace. Oh, we didn't take in the sheer size of these ceilings. Ceiling height. Take her up. Look how gorgeous this is. Hear the echo. And can you imagine days that it's snowing, because we're in the DMV, we get all the weather. Days that it's sunny, days that it's rainy, days when the cherry blossoms come out, all that light spilling in. And then we also have the tray ceilings up top as well with our feature wall, custom feature wall. These are the back staircases, okay? These are the staircase that your guests use. The family and only people who are living here use. Now I'm gonna take you into the owner suite last. All right, let's go into our secondary bedrooms. Now, each bedroom has its own feed-in bathroom, an ensuite in each bedroom. Look at the sheer size of your secondary bedrooms. This is a queen size bed with a canopy. Huge, massive bedrooms with an ensuite bath. Go ahead and take a look at that. Alrighty, let's take you to our secondary bedrooms. Gorgeous. Look how much space is in here. This is a queen size bed. You still have enough space for your side tables, full closet, and it feeds into a walk-through bathroom paired with tub and commode and shower. And then we have a massive bedroom here. This is not your owner suite. And we have a little friend here. Look at that little guy or little lady. I'm not sure what you are, but you are cute. Yes, you are. All right. And then now I'm going to take you to the marquee room, the statement piece of the bedroom level. Come with me. We are going to walk into the owner's suite. gorgeous. The owners have a great design eye, but check out this closet. I mean, I think there's a moment. This requires a moment. Gorgeous custom cabinetry. Enough room for all of the things, your makeup, your hair products, your bags, your shoes, all the different things. This closet was done well. It is custom, it is thoughtful, it has the modern woman in mind. But I haven't even gotten to the bathroom. This bathroom, 1 and 2 and 3. Gorgeous, custom, with an electric fireplace, standing shower, standing tub. This is designer, paired with ceramic tile throughout, from the walls to the floors. This was not done without any detail missed. And now that ends our tour. I'm just kidding. We have so much more to do. Now, do we take the front stairs or the back stairs? Because, I mean, when you live in a house of this scale, you have options. We take the front. Okay. But look at the sheer scale of this wet bar. Gorgeous. Plenty of things, plenty of entertainment with your fridge, custom cabinetry throughout. Check out our flooring. We have leatherized tile throughout, but the thing that really gets things going is our theater room. Check this bad boy out. Oh, guys, look who's here. And of course, we find you in the movie theater. 10-seater movie theater, absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna take my moment so you can take in the scale. Gorgeous. Ooh, what were you watching?
Actually,
You're watching our channel? So funny. I'll let you enjoy, babe. I got a house to show. All right. So, it is raining out there. Bummer. However, it is gorgeous. I want you to take in how large that backyard is and all the beautiful details. Plenty of spaces for entertaining, outdoor play, maybe even one day laying a pool. Beautiful space. Now, I think we need to find a place to end this video. Let's end it upstairs. Or you know what? This just is speaking my language. I feel like this is a great place, right here. Just, so this beautiful home, 4502 Country Cross Terrace, is priced at $1.1 million, and it is, at this moment, still available and on the market. So if you have any questions, I want you to go into the description box below, because that will give you access to all the things. This has been a fantastic tour. I've enjoyed myself immensely. And if you want to go ahead and check out more of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Amanda Adedapo, and this is Love and Real Estate. Bye, guys.